Do you know that Pokemon cards outperformed S&P 500 by a lot? So average annual returns for S&P 500 are only 12% yearly. Pokemon trading cards are 42, 46%. So now we're gonna catch them all and see how much money we make. First time unboxing a lot of different cards. Let's see. Okay, so while things are being coded and the Codex is working, pursuing goal for only 18 hours, let's open up some Pokemon cards and see what we got. So now we're gonna unbox my first biggest ultra premium collection. Let's see how it goes. First time unboxing stuff. So yeah, let's go. Well, Codex is coding. We're gonna be unboxing. Some of the cards are very valuable here. Let's see how it's gonna be for us. Here we go. Nice. The first card is already great. So it itself costs $100 or so. So Charizard, looking great. Let's go. I don't even know what the value of any of those. I'm gonna need to like check and understand better what's happening here. So Scramble Switch. This looks valuable. It's real shiny. Salamence X. This one is a good one. Two stars. And the last one. Will there be a golden card? Nope. So that's it. So when doing for the first time, I'm basically clueless. The ones that are like sparkling and looking better, those are the ones that I can take note. But other ones, I don't know. So I'll have to just Google and find out. But pretty interesting. I think the opening skills are not as good as I'm rushing a bit. But if I wasn't rushing as much, I think that would be better because some of the cards got bent a bit. So overall, quite an interesting experience. There are more cards to get, and I have more. But for today, that's what I wanted to show.